So I've been very impressed with the program that Falcon offers here in Texas, and obviously with so much riding on one exam, I wanted to make sure that what I chose to use was going to be worthwhile and effective and help me to pass step one. I think some of the things that have been most impressive to me about the course have been the professors. There have been several. Every professor has been wonderful, been easy to talk to and ask questions, both outside the lecture and even within the lecture with some professors. Dr. Rosenthal is wonderful, who teaches microbiology, as well as Dr. Brown. And then, of course, Dr. Golian with pathology really integrates and brings everything together to really prepare you well, I think, for the step one exam. I think the other thing that makes Falcon so dynamic is the notes that they offer, because I found that they were very easy to understand and read, but in addition to that, they were very thorough. And that I think is reflective in the questions that I've answered, as far as in the Q banks that I've used. The other thing that I've been very impressed with is the facilities here. The hotel that we've stayed at has been top-notch as far as accommodating us, and any concerns or problems that we've had have always been addressed very quickly and efficiently. And there were not any problems at all while I've been here. So I was very grateful to come to a place where I could focus completely on trying to prepare for step one exam. There's a tutoring session that we can come and ask questions to the professors for 2 hours, 1 or 2 hours. Really tries to solidify the knowledge that we learned for that day. And then, of course, the whole system that's involved with Falcon, with the taping method that they use to be able to integrate and really try to make sure that we retain the material that we learn, has been really helpful, I think. I would make one comment about the staff here. They've been exceptional as far as the Falcon staff. I personally had an issue that came up that required me to leave for a few days, a personal emergency, and the staff was very accommodating of that, being able to let me come back, and gave me access to some of the classes that I missed so that I could catch up and be able to make sure that I was still online with the course. And so I really appreciated that they really went out of their way to let me do that and have access to that. So I was grateful for that. And I think the overall experience, if you come here and are willing to put forth the work, Falcon, they've already put forth the work to be prepared and ready to help you to attain the goals that you want, and trying to not only just pass this exam, but perform very, very well.